Hey guys, we're doing the player draw for the half case. It's 12:05 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Scotty. Dice roll for the names. We're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Random complete. And the players are Philip Spence, Dirk, Damo, Hakeem, Shane, Porzingis, Mr. Lalaga, Mr. Maker, Elworthy, Clyde, Shane with Iverson and Rodman, Mick with Jamal Murray, Shane with Kevin Love, Anthony, DeMarcus Cousins, Shane with Ben Simmons, and Drew with Dr. J, Mr. Mannion, Alonzo Mourning, Luke with Penny, Steve Stafford, Elgin Baylor, Josh Keith, Jerry West, Rodney with Larry Bird, Lee Smith with Steph Curry, Shane with Mr. Gervin, Indy with Cat, Scotty Rhodes with Wiggins, Shane DeGiorgio with Magic, Guy Bell, Zach Levine, Shane with Vince, Joshua Holmes with Michael Jordan, Shane with LeBron, and Timothy Price with Fultz. And that is the team list, or the player list.